What does going green actually mean?
Go green.
Fully green.
Green pushed.
Building green.
Going green could be easier than you think.
Well, the global shipping industry's answer to this question is potentially fraud. In response to global policies to decrease air pollution from vessels, the number of LNG-powered ships has increased considerably in the last decade. But is LNG green? LNG, or liquefied natural gas as it has been called by fossil companies, is composed mainly of methane, which is 80 times more potent than CO2 in the short term and 30 times worse in the long term. The IPCC report argues that to limit global warming to 1.5, methane emissions must be reduced by a third by 2030. LNG vessels are not green and push our planet's emissions and people to the limit. But what does it spread this harmful gas?
Cleaner burning natural gas.
So we can actually drink this very cold water.
Propaganda is a powerful resource and able to convince a group of people about an idea or message. If you look closely at the focus of an advertising content, you will probably find more than one message you didn't know you were getting. While propaganda tries to reinforce the positive aspects of a product or service, it's also sugarcoated to make these positive aspects undeniable positive.
There's no sugar added.
Irv, you're gonna love the taste, even though it's healthy.
And that's what we call bias. That means it's true if I believe it. It's true if we believe it. It's true if we want to believe it. Or it's true if it serves our best interest to believe it. Let's take a look at the biased Royal Caribbean ad. This is an interesting commercial to analyze because it shows how the fossil fuel cruise industry is appealing to a biased message. They are claiming to deliver a new clean adventure using vibrant colors, powerful sounds, and smiles everywhere to communicate relaxation and enjoyment. But it is in their interest not to tell us that the relaxation and enjoyment is powered by LNG, which worsens global warming, exacerbates social inequalities, and it is linked to millions of premature deaths. So, how green is LNG if its cruise industry ads are not telling us the real impact of this fuel? Despite the industry's investments and efforts to convince us otherwise, LNG is not the answer for the shipping sector to go green. The next time you see an ad for a clean LNG-powered cruise, ask yourself, is this truly sustainable or is it just more harmful propaganda? Demand transparency from the shipping industry and advocate for truly sustainable solutions. Take action at www.saynoToLNG.org.